Hello, this is Joseph with Allied Air. Today we're looking at a modulating furnace control board. Something to note, this is actually our new integrated low GWP based equipment. So with it we've got a low GWP test and reset button, we've got our two sensor ports on the side, and if we actually look all the way down, there's two dip switches here to control if these ports are enabled or disabled. So if we return our focus back up top, we'll see that there's a recall button as well as a 7-segment display. This is a brand new board. I've already programmed it, but I want to walk you guys through what it would look like programming a new furnace control board in a replacement application. We've got the unit in idle mode, so no calls for heating, no calls for cooling. So what we're going to do is go through the programming process. We're going to use the recall button and keep focus on the 7-segment display. I'm going to start off by long pressing the recall, and we're going to wait until we see a dash show up right in the middle. There's our dash. We're going to let go. It's going to start blinking, and we're going to press and hold again. The dash is going to keep going until we start seeing a solid. Then it's going to turn into different characters. First will be a C, then a P. Once we see this, we're going to let go and then long press on this. So the 1 is what we're looking for. So I let go, wait for it to keep blinking. I have 10 seconds and now I can hold. We're going to need to hold it for 5 seconds, or if you keep holding, you'll see that the unit will just cycle through its power. What that's done is reflash the system, and we're going to cycle power back on. Now the first thing that we'll see is the software revision show up on here. Then there's going to be a slight pause, and a 1 will show. This tells us that we've successfully programmed our system with a 1 unit code, so in this case it's 70 BTU, and now the system's gone back into idle and can take a heating or cooling call.